Hi, welcome to Dream Cars. Today we're diving into the 2026 Maruti Suzuki Baleno facelift, an exciting update to this popular hatchback. The exterior has undergone a significant transformation with the bolder, more angular grille and sleek LED headlamps that give it a modern premium look. The newly redesigned Bomb Pro features sharper lines and sporty fog lamp housings, enhancing its dynamic presence. Moving to the side profile, you'll notice fresh multi-spoke alloy wheel and updated side skirts that add a sense of sportiness. The rear end has also been revamped with smoother contours, redesigned tailgate and angular LED tail lights that give the bill a distinctive and modern look. Inside, the 2026 Baleno facelift is all about comfort and technology. Dashboard layout is sleek and modern with the larger, more responsive touchscreen and infotainment system offering Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and wireless Bluetooth. The steering will now include more controls and the instrument cluster is a perfect blend of digital analog elements. The front seats are supportive and Volco using, while the rear seats offer more space and legroom for passengers, making it even more comfortable for long journeys. The materials inside the cabin have been upgraded with soft touch surfaces and premium upholstery, adding to the overall refined experience. Out the back, the pillow nose tailgate redesigned provides a sleeker, more aerodynamic appearance, and the new rear bumper and LED tail lights complete the stylish look. The boot space remains practical, offering ample room for your daily needs. Overall, the 2026 Maruti Suzuki Baleno facelift is a fantastic update that balances style, comfort and technology. The 2026 Maruti Suzuki Baleno facelift is here, bringing a fresh and bold design that sets a new standard for compact hatchbacks. With a sleek, dynamic exterior, enhanced features, and a refined interior, the Baleno takes style and comfort to the next level. This facelift model boasts advanced technology, improved performance and an emphasis on safety, making it the ideal choice for those seeking a modern, efficient and stylish ride. Whether it's daily commuting or long drives, the 2026 Baleno promises an exciting driving experience with its enhanced efficiency and cutting-edge features. Stay tuned for more updates as we explore the 2026 Maruti Suzuki Baleno facelift in more detail. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel Dream Cars for more updates.